hospital for neutral.
You look really good, huh?
Yeah, the inside worked out well.
You looked really good. You looked really good till the third lap. Till you started casing things, and the fourth lap you just started going boom, boom, boom.
They died. I died. I
like,
was pushing my heart on, pushing my ass off just to keep up with that guy. And then I started making big mistakes. I'm like, fuck this.
And then you started looking up here.
That double?
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't case it. I hit a big bump right before it.
Yeah.
It threw my front end over.
Oh, is that what happened?
And then I let off, and then I cased the jump, and I'm like, thank God I lived. I lived.
Yeah, we saw that one.
Yeah, I saw it too.
And then you started like getting a little swappy as you.
Yeah, the back end just started freaking going all over the place. My tire flat?
No.
Go push it. See?
A little bit, but not compared to the front.
Okay.
I mean, check when you get home, but it looks fine to me.
Yeah. Probably was just me hitting hard and stuff, and the pack of the tire probably pumped up an extra pound and a half.
You started looking up here, and I told your dad, I said, that's when I know he's getting tired, is when he started looking up here.
He's tired.
Like, you need to start riding that bicycle more. I said, well, he lost a lot of muscle last year when he crashed.
That guy in that two-stroke was hounding me and hounding me and hounding me.
You held him off for like
hounding me. Hounding me. That's because I kept taking his line. Hounding me. And then I started making mistakes. I'm like, go on by, bud. Go by before I crash and you end up on top of me. Go by.
But you held him off for a good lap and a half when he was really on you.
Oh, yeah. I just kept taking his line. I knew where he was going.
He was getting frustrated.
Oh, yeah.
With you.
Oh, yeah. I let him by. Okay, go put that on. Okay. Woo! I am out of shape.
The red light is blinking